Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for FluentU beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in FluentU.com. Press enter to navigate to the FluentU homepage. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button for registration. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password and enter it in the password field. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Select your preferred language in the drop-down menu. Choose the language you wish to learn as well. Review the terms and conditions. Then, check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Use the link in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the FluentU website. Log in using your email and password. Explore the dashboard to get familiar with the interface. Now you're ready to start learning with FluentU. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.